All right, traders, how y'all doing? Back for a market update. Where have I been? Man, I feel kind of sunburnt. I spent the weekend on a work trip with the Marine Wildlife Company. They flew us out to the Big Island and we did a manta ray night dive, saw humpback whales, spent the night and the day on the boat with good friends. Came back work today. There's no trades here. I logged in because I'm uh went on the computer to transfer funds because I'm funding one of the accounts with a bot. I can't offer or market this bot. It's a perp bot. Anyways, I'm here because people are asking for market update and I'm gonna give you one. Although you guys prefer than me just talking in cars in the car video. So I'm going to focus a little bit more on what the market's doing and less on, sorry, what my trading system is doing and less on what I think is going to happen or what um, I'm doing. Because I'm just trying to start trading the system, but I'm trying to get caught up. So you can see for gold, gold caught a huge wave on one, two, three, four, five positions. The sixth position was stopped out at a loss, but a huge pyramid position. Then it caught this move and ended up round tripping that one, and then it started a new position. I'm waiting for a new signal on gold. US 100 is one that I am trading, but I mean just like that you can see it caught an insane move from October and never got stopped out until the July pullback. Really traded this incredibly well. Really incredible. It was in from October to July on one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10 positions. Yo, that would be trading 10 futures contracts with a $2,000 risk. This would be like a $100,000 profit. Stopped out here. And then at the bottom of the move, starts rebuilding its position, gets in again. Um, I don't know why. I see. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing. Oh, I think it's giving it needs to get over the level within 3 days, is why it's not showing a buy here on that one. So we have certain filters, minimum within 3 days. Okay, that's why. So I didn't get over this in time, nor did it get over this one in time. Depending on how I could have had more buys in here, but I only took these most two recent buys and I'm in profit, but it hasn't really run very far and it could come back as a fat loss. It's all good. You can also see how it avoided the bear market nicely. It didn't take a single trade in here, not a single trade. Why a simple 200 moving average filter, and it got in. Didn't catch the exact bottom, but got near the bottom in the upswing. And its first position was carried all the way up here for a nice profit. And obviously, yeah, did pretty well on this move up. Take a look at more of the stocks. I know you guys want to see crypto. US 2000, US 30. Same story on US 30. US 500 looks just like US 100, although much bigger positions swinging. Positions, everything's locked in profit right now. This is the average entry of the dip buy. This is the average entry of the breakout buy. This is the stop loss. Oh, so not everything's locked in profit. I'm not sure what the total average entry between these two are, but floating a lot of profits. Okay. Now let's go to crypto. So Bitcoin, the way it traded the system, depending on the settings, um, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I mean, it looks better if we do this, but I'm not trying to over optimize for anything. If I just change, we have the ATL stop at 10, so why is it not? Is it this? I don't know. There was some small thing that really changed how it performed. I'm not going to worry about that too much right now. But where it is right now is it bought 1, 2, 3 times. And this is the average buy is 76. And then the stop loss is up here at 90,054. So if it gets stopped out, it realizes a huge profit of about 20% on 1 to up to 3 or more positions. So that's Bitcoin. The alt's nuked, right? So for the volatility on altcoins, it's important to have an ATL stop measure of volatility looking back the last 10 days. So it would be in Doge still waiting for an exit. Would be in XRP waiting for an exit. In Solana waiting for an exit. We're going to test things of getting out at a failure up here, advancing stop. We're not there yet. ADA, waiting for an exit, right? How many buys did it have here? 1, 2, 3, 4 buys. So trading the system on almost anything or on a lot of different things would have really crushed it. ADA is one of the chosen ones. Pepe is one that's actually giving a buy right now. One of the strongest ones. Now ETH showed did nothing under the 200. Bought here, depend on settings, bought here, didn't on this one, and stops down here. So this little move, what if we do this though? Let's look at the breakout buy. You could do this, change the filter, and there's more positions and the stops significantly advanced. Regardless, this nuke that's hurting people is really nothing for ETH. So the way I'm trading it is I'm just setting an alert like so. I'm setting add alert, notifications, email, right? Like MTP ETH, boom, and then I get an email when it's time to trade. And I'm just focusing on other things. Now, if I want to look at funding got insanely hot, but has cooled, is still really hot, but has cooled off a lot from when price hit 100. It was out of control high, 100% across the board. It's come down to a pretty reasonable level, actually. So maybe enough for price to consider continuing on, maybe. We had some open interest, a good amount of open interest flushed, so. But could flush a lot more. We also now have this wick as a significant low, but I mean, it kind of makes sense of a place for a price to make a low, right? Like sweeping all this. So meanwhile, I'm not day trading that, I'm just sitting in it. And the day trading is going to get done by bots. All right, hope you enjoyed this market update. Appreciate y'all. Much love. Talk to y'all soon and peace.